At MyKidReports, we know preschoolers are curious explorers, always asking questions, always discovering. STEM activities are the perfect way to tap into that natural curiosity and help little learners build essential skills. And the best part? STEM is hands-on, fun, and easy. Try a simple counting game using colourful building blocks to teach math. Or explore science and engineering by building a mini tower with popsicle sticks. Want something creative? How about sketching shapes together and talking about their differences? These playful STEM activities help your preschoolers develop problem-solving abilities, boost confidence, and strengthen teamwork skills. With MyKidReports, it's so easy to track your activities, share updates with parents, and celebrate your kids' STEM learning journey. Ready to bring more STEM fun into your preschool classroom? Visit mykidreports.com today to learn more